Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you one menu driven program. Already I discussed about with you what is menu and how to go through that. So today I am going to solve one program which one is saying that you are supposed to write a menu driven program to calculate and print area of circle, area of rectangle and area of square depend upon user choice. So here you are having three options. That means in menu you are going to write three options, and that three options is going to be written in three different cases to calculate area of circle, area of square and area of rectangle. So how to be done that? First of all, I will start the program with import java dot util dot asterisk, then class. Maybe I am writing menu driven program, so I have taken that class name is menu. Then public static void main, and I have not written string args. If you will write, that is also correct. If you will not write, then also it is not giving you any error message. Then I will declare the scanner class object. So scanner in is equal to new scanner system dot in, new scanner system dot in. So here in I have made as a object and system in I have written here as an argument, so I can input something. After that I have to declare the variables. Here I am going to declare only a variable, which one is the choice, because after the choice only I can go and I will enter the choice, then only I can go to the particular case and I am going to calculate that particular things. So for that I will declare a variable int ch, and here I will write my menu. So system dot out dot println, I will write an header that is menu. Okay, and after that again I will write system dot out dot println number 1, that is circle. For number 2, again system dot out dot println that is number 2, that is rectangle. Then again system dot out dot println 3, that is square. Okay, these three things I am going to write in my menu, and after that next one will be enter your choice. So system dot out dot println, then enter your choice. After I will enter my choice, then I will proceed with switch case. So ch is equal to, because I have taken int ch, so ch is equal to int dot next int. So my choice was input here, accepted. Then I will write switch case. So switch ch. First case is going to be for circle. So case 1. Then here I am going to write all those variable. Here I am going to declare all those variable which one is related to circle. So maybe I am entering my radius in integer. After that I am going to calculate area, which one, of course it is will be double, and then I will take one variable pi 3.14 to be stored over there, because this pi is going to be constant for this. Afterwards I am going to enter this. So system dot out dot println enter radius. I will enter the radius and radius will be entered. R is equal to in dot next int. I have entered the radius. Now I am going to calculate. So area is equal to pi r square. You know the formula. So I am going to write pi, because in pi I stored 3.14. Pi r square, r into r. In place of r into r, I can write math.pow r comma 2 also. I can write this also, but in place of r into r, either you write r into r or you write math.pow r comma 2, and then area was calculated. So at last I am going to print system.out.println area is plus area. Then I will write break. So my this first case is over. In first case, just think about our formula computations program. So in this case, I have written first this area, how to find out the area of circle. That formula computations program entirely I have written in case 1. Then I will go to case 2. In case 2, just I want integer as L, length, breadth, and here I can take area as also integer. So I can declare area is equal to 0. After that I will enter length and breadth. So I am writing system out println. What I am going to enter? Enter length and breadth. Okay, semicolon, and after that here L is equal to in dot next int, of course. Then B is equal to in dot next int. Okay, and here now after entering L and B, then I supposed to calculate area. Area is equal to L and B, and then when area was calculated, then I can print that system out println area is area and break. Then I will go for case 3. In case 3, I supposed to find out area of square. So when I will go for area of square, then I can take two variables. One is int s for side and area to calculate area. So system out println enter side, area is equal to s into s. In place of s into s, we can take even, you can take even math.pow s comma 2, and then system out println area is area and break. So your calculations part will be over here, and it is going to be print that area of circle. Now after this 3 case, you will write default statement. In default statement, you supposed to write wrong choice. Why? Because if any user out of this menu, we have provided only 3 things in menu: circle, rectangle and square. Without these 3, if any 4th choice your user is going to be enter, then your program supposed to give some output, and that output will be wrong choice, because we have asked for only 3. We are having only 3 items in our hotel. If you are not asking us that 3, then we will say sorry, your choice is wrong. So simply like that we are going to say wrong choice, because we are having only 3 options, that is your circle, square and rectangle. Out of these 3, if we will enter any one, then we will provide you the answer. Otherwise we supposed to say sorry, wrong answer, wrong choice. This is your menu driven program. I hope you have understood this. For you, you can take help from any mathematics book, and you can go for one calculations, this kind of calculations. Either you can go for perimeter of circle, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square, or you can go for volume of, you can even practice both the answers: volume of cone, volume of cylinder and volume of sphere. So all 3 formula you can find out from standard 10 book, and you can write down the program, menu driven program, to calculate and print volume of sphere, volume of cylinder, and volume of cone, depend upon user choice. So you practice that. And next question is, write a menu driven program to calculate area of circle, perimeter of circle, perimeter of square, and perimeter of rectangle, depend upon user choice. So all three will be formula computations program. You will write in case 1, case 2, case 3, and your formula will be calculate those things, and you can print, and even default will be wrong choice. So I hope you have understood and you can practice those two program, and we will meet in next program. Okay, till that, bye bye.